Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
Hello my besties, how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. If we are just meeting, my name is Kathy and this is my Tweety bird. If you like to create pretty things and not spend a fortune, this is a channel for you. Go ahead, hit the red subscribe button and automatically become my bestie. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a Christmas wreath using this inexpensive pine base. In addition, I'm going to show you how to make a bow using One Direction ribbon. That way, the pattern will be displayed correctly. And today's video is a part of a Christmas wreath-a-thon. Not one design, but 7. So when you are done watching this video, go ahead, hit on the playlist down in the description box below and keep watching. Thanks so much to Nadia for hosting. We are going to start off by fluffing up our pine base. Mine is from Five Below, 18 inches, and it was only $2 on sale. Next, to make this fuller and add some color, we are going to add deco mesh. This is from Walmart, but you can really use any deco mesh, any size. As you can see, I made a little poof to hide the fraying, and I twist tie it to the wreath base by using 2 pine tips. You are going to pull out about 10-12 inches of mesh and poof it up and twist tie it and continue going like this all the way around the wreath form. Real easy. Make these little poofs all the way around, and when you reach the point where you started, you see this? I'm actually gonna go on top of it and make one more because that one wasn't big enough. So I'm just gonna twist tie it. And what I'm gonna do is just go around one more time, more towards the outer part of the wreath now. Continue making these poofs one more round. All right, we reached the end. We have room for one more, so let me just show you. Pull it out and tie it in there. We are going to cut off the rest, but we want to cut it another 12 inches apart because we still want to roll this under and make a little poof there. So let's just find a spot to do one more twist tie over there. You can put your hand through each poof and fluff it up a little bit. My wreath now is nice and full and so much color. And as you can see, I still have a half a roll of mesh left. So this is very budget friendly. I only used about $2 of mesh here. Next, I'm going to add my focal point, which is adorable flame lantern that I found at a Dollar Tree. You can really add any lantern or any focal item that you like. The lantern has a hook at the top, so I'm just going to use 2 pine tips to twist tie it there in the center and support it with the other pine tips all the way around. At this point, I'm gonna grab a pipe cleaner and make a little hanger in the back, tie it all the way down to the ring, and make a little loop hanger. And I want to make sure that my lantern stays straight in there, right? Let me remove my cute little reindeer. I made it a couple years ago using the candy cane forms. If you like to see that tutorial, I'll link it for you in the description box below. And here's my lantern in the center of the wreath, and I'm still able to access the switch. Look how beautiful. Reminds me of a mini fireplace. But more later. First, let's do the ribbons. I have 4-inch wide ribbons, and they come from Dollar General and Family Dollar. $3 per roll. Great value, and look at these beautiful designs. The only thing is both of these are One Direction patterns, so I'm gonna share with you my trick. Cut your ribbon a little bit more than 3 feet, 38 inches, 2 pieces. You are simply going to fold a piece of ribbon at the top and pinch it. Make like a 6-inch loop at the top. Make sure the letters go the right way, right? And do the same thing with the other ribbon, 6-inch loop, pinch, and put these together. And again, make sure that your letters go in the right direction. There's a lot of ribbons with the words now for Christmas, right? Merry Christmas, joy. So I know you're gonna run into that issue, and you wanna make sure that your ribbons are not upside down. Once you check everything looks good, you grab a pipe cleaner and tie these 2 pieces together, and you got a perfect bow, and the words are showing correctly. We are going to do the same technique with the other ribbon. Just fold over the top, pinch, make like a 6-inch loop. Make sure that the pattern is right side up. Santa's head is correct, right? Oh, so cute. I love this ribbon. And we are going to attach it to our bow. There's a pipe cleaner in the back there, so just twist tie it. Let's add the second piece. And of course, you can do as many loops, tails as you like. I'm just doing 2 of each pattern. Tie it all together, fluff it up, and this is how you make the bow with the One Direction ribbon. Everything is showing correctly here, nothing's upside down, and some people don't mind that the patterns are upside down. I can't look at it, it bothers me. Let me know which type are you. As you can see, I'm attaching the bow to the very top of the wreath and spreading out the loops and tails next. I made these tails very long on purpose because I like to tuck them in the wreath. At first, just to try it out, I'll tuck them in without twist tying, just to see how I like it, if the placement is more or less symmetrical on both sides. And then I step back, take a look at it. I like it. I'm just going to go back in there, look for the pine tips, and twist tie these in. I decide to fold the ends under. You can also cut them, whatever is your preference. And here's the look at my big, beautiful bow with the One Direction pattern ribbon. I have only a little bit of ribbon left, so I cut 12-inch tails, whatever's left of it anyway. I play around with it a little bit and decide to go with the 3 ribbon tails and just tie them with the pipe cleaner at the top and attach it to the bottom of my wreath. And now the fun part, we are going to add some ornaments. These are from the Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, also Walmart, and some free pine cones from outside. Are you enjoying this video so far? Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead, hit the like button. And also, if you are not my bestie yet, go ahead, press the red subscribe button. And that way we're gonna be in touch, okay? So as you can see, there's this dark space over there above my lantern. And I think it's a perfect spot for Santa Claus head ornament. That one's so cute. I'm just going to add a wire there. So it's gonna stay in there securely, and I'm going to tie it down all the way down to the wreath form. I think you start to get an idea what I want to create here, like a little fireplace with the Santa Claus and his clothes drying by the fire. I'm just going to use that little hanger to hang it there. Let's see how it looks. Maybe a little bit higher. So adorable. And his boots got wet from the snow. I think we need to dry them on the side too. What do you think? I also have a cup of hot cocoa. What's better? Oh, I think I prefer the boots, so I'm just going to wire them in there. And how about I put that hot cocoa in the center? Is it too much? No, it's not too much. I just need to pull out that top. Oops, a little much. We need a cherry on top, right? I'm just gonna hot glue one of the berries from the pick. Much better than that plastic tip. I love working with the wreath with the pine tips because you can use these as ties to anything, and I'm just gonna reinforce everything with hot glue now. And these cute Dollar Tree ornaments remind me of snowballs. I'm going to glue these on top of the ribbons where the ties are to cover it up a little bit. I wish I'd had more of these. These are leftovers from last year. And we are going to take this wreath to another level with some Christmas pigs. These are mostly Dollar Tree and some leftovers from previous years. I'm going to add some hot glue at the tips. And once I insert them in there, I'm going to reinforce them with some pine tips. They were a great find at a Dollar Tree. Unfortunately, I got only two, so I'm going to improvise to recreate that look at the bottom. I have this frosted stem. I'm going to separate it to smaller pieces. I think I need to add some of that up there too. Let's add some berries. And one at the top. So we got a triangle. Nice and pleasing for the eye. And now we are just going to spread these icicle picks all the way around. Once you like how everything looks, go ahead and glue it in its place. And it wouldn't be a Santa Claus without the jingle bells. Look at these cute pigs from the Dollar Tree. I separate them to pieces and just find place for them here and there. right, when you think you're done, you turn on the fireplace, step back, take a look at the whole design. I realized I still have some bare spots here and there, so I decided to add some of my pine cones that I collected on the walks with Coco. And don't worry, no bugs in them. This was a year or two ago. They're moved already. So wherever I see that something's missing, I just stick a pine cone in there. Because you want your wreath to be beautiful and interesting from every single angle, not just from the front, right? So take a look at the finished result and let me know if I've captured an essence of Christmas with my little wreath, because that was my goal.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering the simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
Alright, my besties, this is it for today, but don't feel sad. There are 6 more videos to watch. Go ahead, hit on the playlist in the description box below. Continue watching and make sure you tell the other designers that you are coming from my DIY and you are one of the besties. Thanks so much, my dear. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering the simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.